Qualities of good leader. An essay with outlines and points. Points: courageous, confident, courage to do, humble, determined, overcome, passionate. Essay: qualities of good leader. A good leader is courageous and self-confident. He has courage to do and say what is right and what's wrong. He is determined to achieve his goals. He is passionate about his aims. He doesn't allow any grief or disappointment to overcome him. He is very humble to everyone. He gives more importance to human beings. He never deceives others. He is honest and kind.